Keep getting error code 292 when playing Roblox? In this video, I'll help you fix the Roblox error code 292 on your computer. So, let's dive right in. Solution 1. First of all, delete temporary Roblox data from your computer. To do this, type run in the search bar here and click on it. Now type %localappdata% and press enter. From here, scroll down and open up the temp folder. Then find the Roblox folder and delete it. Now, open up Roblox and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you're still getting the error, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings. Click on Apps and then Install Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Type Roblox in the search bar here and hit enter. Now click on Roblox and then on Get and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to enjoy Roblox without the error code 292. So that's it, folks. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. If you still have any questions regarding this error, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching.